everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to use PayPal to pay on Amazon. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Amazon website and log into your account. Then navigate to Account and List and select your payments. Or simply add to cart any items available here. Once you add to the cart, simply proceed for checkout. And in checkout, you can see that there is no PayPal option available there. You will have to fill up all the form option available there. So basically guys, Amazon does not directly accept PayPal as a payment method, as you can see this, but you can still use your PayPal balance to shop on Amazon indirectly using a PayPal cash card or PayPal business debit MasterCard. By using one of these methods, you can effectively use your PayPal funds to shop on Amazon even though Amazon does not accept PayPal directly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.